Hey everybody, welcome to Jerry and Jamie 2 Up. I'm Jerry, and today we're doing a little unboxing of the SyKIK Rider SRTP-3000 tire pressure monitoring system. When we were in Washington, our friend Bob Graham had this on his VFR 1200 and said it worked pretty well. And since the new NT1100 does not have a TPMS monitor, I decided I'd take the plunge. I think I purchased it for $54. I'll put the description and everything down in the link for this video. But I will say I've already installed it on the NT1100. This is Jamie's scooter, but I wanted to show you what came in the box. And so far so good. It's worked out pretty well. So when you get the packaging, it's packaged very well. There's the obligatory, just don't do certain things. The instructions are very nice. It was real easy to use. It came with 2 different batteries, spare batteries for the TPMS monitors. There's the locking bolts and everything, and a little wrench for the monitors as well. It came with a bunch of different mounts. So these mounts range from handlebar mounts to, here, I'll just show you real quick. I use the kind of like the GoPro type mount, just because my handlebars, so the Honda handlebars are very wide, and it was a little harder to get this all together on. But if you notice, they have this kind of mechanical looking thing with some padding. They also have a little Allen wrench that came with it, but then they also have these. And this is the one I used. I mounted it just like an old GoPro. Mounted it on. This mounts onto the back of the monitor, and you just plug it in through there. The monitor is right here. And again, not a bad size. It's not overwhelming. You can read the graphics. I'll put a picture in here of the one that's mounted on my bike. But you can see, nice size. It registers front and rear tire pressure along with tire temperature. And all you do is you screw these little monitors onto your valve stem. And again, the locking nuts lock them onto the valve stem so you don't lose them. And that's about it. And then there's also another mounting piece as well. But like I said, for $54, it seems to be working well so far on my NT. But I thought I would give you a quick little unboxing, and we'll do. I'll do a little review on it in a couple weeks and everything. But this is just a little unboxing of the SyKIK or SyKIK. I don't know how to say that, folks. SyKIK Rider SRTP-3000 tire pressuring monitoring system. So thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you do, smash the button, do all that YouTube stuff for us, and we'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks everybody. Have a good day. Ride safe.